Hi guys, my name is Juan. This is just 10 minutes video that I'm going to show you how you can paint something like this in very short time with using these three simple brushes and just motion blur. The figure always has central axis. All of the parts of the body are placed on this axis. Try C shapes, C forms as simplified as you can. An oval for the upper part, chest, and a shape like this for her hips. Well, I select this part and with Ctrl T, I transform it a bit. Let's adjust it in our frame, trying not to have extra space in the work. Reduce the opacity and now draw with clean lines the forms of her body. Color with template color the whole body. Add layer above that, double click on the layer and select clipping mask. Now we can paint freely with large brush and you wouldn't worry about that your color popping out of the edges. There is a main light in front of her body. And a very soft light behind her back. Well, with motion blur, I fade some part of that. I use motion blur because it fades some part and the rest remain clear. I like there is beautiful triangle here, which is usually indent. I exaggerate on the elongation of the triangle to be more like those forms on her hips. You know, when you have a clear shape in your work, when you see the simple shape in your work, it is very effective to expand it to the whole work. For example, in this figure, the shape of a triangle can be seen a lot, so I emphasize on it in some places. For painting, you don't need to know all of the tools. The important things in digital painting, actually any kind of painting, for example painting with oils, is your drawing skill and knowledge of the colors. It's important. I cut this line of our drawing, double click on the layer, color overlay, and I've changed it to the magenta. Let's add some color for the background. I choose the complementary color. I think yellow is really good for this work. Well, need to work more on the volume, light. Based on the drawing layer, I work on the light of her back. Sometimes it's good work freely with brushes. Not sometimes, actually always. For instance, I put pure yellow in different places. I erased almost everything and just kept this. I like it. You see, some interesting form comes out. Now we need more of this yellow shade in the field. Maybe a cyan circle is not bad here. I add some of this cyan to upper part of her body. Let's change it to the other mode, lighten. Color dodge is much better. Also, it is better this change to light in color. Yes, I think the combination of the purple and yellow is really enough and we have good composition here. The extra color would be unnecessary. Add gentle light here. In order to separate our figure from the background, I put a white light with gradient tool in the center. But I think it's better this light have a form. I select this form based on the body curve. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it and subscribe my channel.